A vibrant town with history and culture, and one dark secret that some would prefer not to speak about. Tucked away down a public footpath in Caernarfon is another world that could put yours or your child's lives in danger. Although £17,000 was spent on a wall to keep drug users away, the area is still in frequent use and cluttered with thousands of dirty needles.
I think the public will pick up the phone and say that there is a problem with needles. That's why this wall was up, because there was a serious call from the public as regards this opening, and children were going in under the garage to see so much needles. At that time there was 3,000 or 4,000 needles there.
With very little effort, we discovered a number of stashes containing heroin and the free equipment addicts get from the chemist to prepare such a lethal drug.
If you're a drug addict, it's the tools of their trade, so-called. They need those needles, so I think the reason they give them out nilly-willy is because they don't want them to share needles and pass diseases to each other. So, you know, one way or another, if the government didn't give them the needles, they would share needles, and I think we'd have a bigger problem.
With the price of heroin getting cheaper, the amount of users is increasing in the UK. It's a problem that seems to be getting worse. Jamie Shepherd, Caernarfon.
Bye.